Hey folks, it's Ben and JL. We're here with another, it's not a yard sale, a Facebook book find, I think. Sewing machine. Here's the top case of it. It's a Brother Boutique 751. What did we pay for this? 17 or 20 bucks? 21.50 maybe? I think 21.50 is what we ended up paying for it. I've already done research on it and I've already forgotten it all. I think it's a mid-80s. Early 80s to mid 80s unit. It is a steel unit. This is all metal. The plug is kind of neat in terms of here's the Go Juice pedal, but this is the part that plugs into the wall, and then you have this weird little motor and light plug-in that actually connect to the machine itself, which also have two plug-ins. One's a motor and one's a light, but are they marked?
Nope.
They're not marked, so
I'll have to figure that out.
we'll have to figure that one out. It came with a variety of accessories. We're not 100% sure if they're all included or are supposed to be. It was sold under the condition that it didn't work, meaning that it broke a needle or something's out of miss or alignment. That being said, it's pretty common for these units to not be put away, forgotten, sold, and then operated maybe incorrectly. So we're going to give it the old college try here and see if we can see if it works fine or not. So this is kind of the intro video of, hey, look, we found one here. What does this say? Oh, lightweight zigzag, true stretch stitches, built-in motor. It does have a built-in motor. It's kind of cute. But, so anything out of the gate that looks wrong, or?
No. 1, 2, 3.
And we'll do a threading video and a maintenance video on this as well. We've got some other maintenance videos I've got to shoot for as well. You're going from left to right on that?
Yes, I am, which is weird, but that seems to be how it goes.
I think we'd research that too. So we'll do more in depth on how to thread it. Love your comments, so please keep them coming. We try to cater to questions and things like that. We're going to be doing black fabric with a white thread. Awesome needle threading. Another left to right.
Back to front, or front to back. I mean.
Front to back, okay.
Yep.
Did we check the lower bobbin on this one yet?
I looked at it, but it's pretty much the same as always.
Okay.
Do you want me to show it?
Sure. Color fabric, string is it?
It's white as well. Yep.
Good tension.
Appears to be.
Yep.
Might be a little tight. No, it's okay.
Cool. So that's cool. So we've got it threaded. Does this come with the machine?
Yep.
Okay, so right now it's all our materials. Yeah, it's brought to you by Muscles the cat. Actually, Muscles the kitten. She's not a cat. But...
That part threaded fine.
Cool. Did we find it with a broken needle?
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to plug your machine into those little doodads.
I'm gonna guess that the red one's the motor.
Okay.
Maybe.
We're gonna fix the plug. It's a little scary because see that copper? That's the old Alive Zappy Zap. So here's your pedal, and the whole mess drops to the floor. And I'm gonna plug it in and hope we don't go boom. Hey, look at that! It didn't blow up. Cool. All right. So here's our light switch.
Is there an on-off switch? Can you move?
No.
There is not an on-off switch either.
Well, I guess if you touch the pedal, you'll find out if the light gets brighter, the machine starts running. One of the two.
Machine starts running.
Okay, so there's a light on it. We'll figure out how to run that later. Oh, there's the bulb. There's no obvious places where it's dirty, bound up, or angry. Oh,
There's the light switch.
there's the light switch. Now we're working. Alright, let's stay on this side.
Okay.
We're gonna get shrapnel. Should I put safety glasses on?
No, we're not. I don't think we're going to get shrapnel.
Here we go.
Notice I said don't think.
Yeah. So a machine that doesn't work, take one.
Works pretty well from the machine that doesn't work.
Yes, it does. Your tensioner, your string jump ship. These will start getting going slow. These will help.
It's making a weird noise.
Yeah. A clunk.
There's some knocking.
And that's the back stitch.
Yep.
So it's going to be worth running this thing, taking the lid off, seeing how our mechanicals are.
It's not perfect. It's got a little bit of
Every tick, do you think, is a...
loop-de-doopties. But that could also be tension from when it jumped the shark.
Right. You need to rewind a bobbin, maybe. Because you pulled on it, then it was loose, and then it was tight. It started off great.
It's got some loop-de-doopties.
Yep. So not a mint condition. It needs a
But
little
considering they said it didn't run,
help. Right.
it runs pretty well.
Yes. It would hem a... You could put together 2 pieces of fabric in a pinch if you totally needed to, for sure. So that's the quick overview of it's not really an overview. It's an introduction to the Brother Boutique 751. Hard to find manuals for it, but it's got a lot of siblings. Say 2150, I think it was. Didn't work. I guess it does. So we'll go through and operate it some, and then we'll do a video on how to run it, and we'll see you then.